Have you ever faced a culinary catastrophe that left your favorite pot looking like a relic from a forgotten fire pit? We've all been there, staring into the abyss of a burnt-on disaster, thinking it's destined for the trash. But what if I told you there's a simple, almost magical way to bring it back from the brink, using just a common household items? Get ready to witness a transformation. First, we introduce our heroes: a humble box of baking soda and a bottle of ordinary white vinegar. These aren't just for baking or salads. They are the secret weapons in your cleaning arsenal. The process is astonishingly simple and incredibly satisfying to watch. We begin by generously blanketing the entire burnt surface of the pot with a thick layer of baking soda. Next, we pour in the white vinegar. Instantly, a chemical reaction ignites, creating a fizzing, bubbling spectacle that actively works to dissolve the stubborn, charred mess. We let this powerful duo sit and work their magic for about 30 minutes, allowing the concoction to break down the toughest grime. After the wait, a gentle scrub with a non-abrasive sponge is all it takes. You'll see the blackened residue lift away with surprising ease, revealing the clean metal beneath. A final rinse under running water washes away all the foam and loosened debris, unveiling a pot so clean it sparkles. And there you have it. From a seemingly hopeless, blackened wreck to a gleaming, like new shine. This simple trick not only saves your cookware, but also saves you money and effort. So next time you have a kitchen mishap, don't despair. Just remember the power of baking soda and vinegar, and get ready to be amazed.